Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Miss Day. So I wanted to create a video that showed you how to do the virtual tour or the museum tour on series number 1. So if you're looking in here to Google Classroom, I've had some announcements and things that I've made, but if you scroll down to the assignment, which is right here, a new assignment, Artist Choice Series, go to the instructions. All right, so I'm going to show you on Artist Choice Series 1. I'm trying to give you lots of choices here. If you go to Series 1, you've got 6 different choices. The one we're going to look at are these 2 that are in the middle, and I've created a slide here for you. So one of them is virtual street views of different places around the world, and the second one, these are specific to museums. So let's see if we can look at the difference here. And the main thing is the first one, I wanted you to write about your adventure. Tell me what you picked, why you chose it, what you enjoyed about it, what was interesting. I'd like for you to submit either the written paragraph or turn it in on Flipgrid so you can actually just talk about it if you wanted to. The second one here, option number 5, the museum tour. This is a virtual tour of a famous museum. And this one, I wanted you to do sketches and tell me the artists that originally created the work and where it's located, what museum, etc., etc. So you'd submit your sketches and your answer in Google Classroom under Series 1. All right, so let's look at the virtual tour for famous places. That would be this link. Okay. So if we scroll down, you see it says virtual tour. Excuse me. And you can see there's 3 right off the bat, but if you clicked on View All, look, there's 3,468 different ones. And so you click on the little person here, and you can see that you're going to be right inside. You're going to be able to manipulate your view. You can see there's the arrow. I can click the arrow. Ooh, and it's going to take me to be able to move around. So you can see here it tells me that this is an archaeological survey of India, and this is in New Delhi, India. I'd like to know the name of the piece. So I suppose if we go back out, it might have that information for us. But you could choose some different viewpoints. Oh, there's some people. So it's got a 360 view. See, I'm going to go back. Okay, so it tells me right here, this is the name, Narasimha Shrine. So make sure you include that information when if you chose this and you did your sketches and you submitted it to me. Let's scroll down and see what else might be available. Of course, there's Taj Mahal. And this is huge. So there's actually several. Let me move this over here so you can see. If you look here, you can see these different tools here to allow you to move. We're actually on the fourth, I guess, camera, or maybe fourth level. You can click on these different ones and it'll take you to different cameras. So you have different views of the Taj Mahal. So again, this tells you that we're in New Delhi, India, but you would need to, when you do your sketches, you need to remember to include that it is the Taj Mahal. That's the Taj Mahal there. All right, so let's go back out. So that would be one way to do this. Let's go back and look at what else was on the slide. So I'm going to go back up here to, all right. So that was the street views. Let's look at the museum portion here. All right, so this, again, we're still in Google Arts and Culture, but this is taking us to the collections. So these are actual museums from around the world that you can go to. I saw Uffizi. I'm going to go to the Uffizi. I've actually been to the Uffizi, so let's see what they've got here. So it looks like there's 4 stories that they're featuring for an online exhibit.
Hey, stop that.
Uh-oh.
Hey, psst, stop that.
Hey, will you take this paper away from the rabbit? Thanks. All right, so if you just go through this, you can see here that it's going to show you images of the artwork and it's going to give you descriptions. So, you know, for this particular option in your series, I'm asking you to write about your experience. So you just click on the arrows as you move through the tour. This is actually, from what I remember, this is a really big piece. I want to see if it tells us the measurements. Does it have the measurements? This. Yes, it does. Okay. 3.85 meters by 2.23 meters. So yeah, this thing is like over 6 foot tall. This is really big. Anyway, so this is the other way for you to fulfill the assignment. So I hope that you enjoy this. This Google Arts and Culture, wow, I could not believe all of the stuff that's in here. Hopefully you can go in here and just look at some of this stuff, because it has more than just famous places and museums. It has all kinds of information. You can see this is about cavemen. Of course, this is, you know, one of the oldest types of artwork that there is, the paintings that the cavemen did. Anyway, so hopefully you can explore through there and learn something and have a good time. I wanted this to be something that is not stressful, but that you still could show me what you learned. So if you have any questions, of course, you can always pop in. If you look on the announcement of Art 1, I have a link here for you. Okay, here we go, right here. So this is a Zoom classroom. So if you click on this, it's actually going to be open pretty much between 8:30 and 12 every day. If you want to follow the schedule and come in during your class time, then you will probably see other people that are in your class. But you can come and join it at any time. All right, you have to download the app in order for the Zoom meeting to work, and you have to make sure that you click enable video and enable microphone. If you don't enable them, then it won't let you participate. So I hope that this helps a little bit, and I can't wait to see what you guys turn in. Okay, happy online learning.